Topic 3, Lesson 3, Comparing Numbers. Well, you already know how to write a number in a place value chart in expanded form and in word form. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to compare numbers by using place value. Let's take a look at our standard. Standard is read and write multi-digit whole numbers using base 10 numerals, number names, and expanded form. But in this lesson, we're going to really focus on comparing two multi-digit numbers based on meanings of the digits in each place and using greater than, equal than, and less than symbols to record the results of the comparisons. So that's what we're looking at in this lesson. Our focus is how can place value help you compare whole numbers. So let's take a look at our first one. Here we have two numbers and we want to compare these as well. So we have 1,345, we have 1,380, and we want to compare them. So the easiest thing to do is to stick them right into a place value chart, and that's what these white things are for. We have our one section, our thousands, and our millions, and we just start with the last number, 5, and start down here, 5, 4, 3, 1. So we have 1,345. And then for this number, we have 0, 8, 3, 1. So we have 1,380. So what we want to do here is now we can compare and see which number is greater and which one's less. So if we look at the hundreds, there's a 1 in both of them, so we can cross that off. They're exactly the same. I'm sorry, the thousands. We can look at the thousands and they're exactly the same. We go to the hundreds place and again they're exactly the same. But once we get to the tens place, we've got a 4 here and an 8 here. Well, the 4 is less than the 8. So therefore, this number, 1,345, is less than 1,380. And this is the way we'd write it. 1,345 is less than 1,380. And that's how we compare. And we can use this symbol here to help us out. And again, the mouth always opens up to the bigger number because 1,380 is the bigger number. But the way you read it is 1,345 is less than 1,380. Let's try another one. Here are two numbers. Go ahead and use the place value charts to find out and compare the two numbers. So pause the video, give it a try, and then come back when you're done. Good luck. Alright, how'd you do? Well, let's go ahead and place them where they belong. And we'll start with this first number, 1,473. 3 goes in the ones, 7 goes in the tens, 4 in the hundreds, and the 1 in the thousands place. And for this number, 5 in the ones place, 7 in the tens, 3 in the hundreds, and 1 in the thousands place. So if we go ahead and look at it and compare, we can see they both have a 1 in the thousands place, but the hundreds place is different. And we can see that this 4 is greater than the 3, so the way we're going to write it is 1,473 is greater than 1,375. Is that what you got? Good job. Now try some on your own. Good luck.